baby. Look at that Jumbotron. That's pretty cool, man. Oh, that thing's got a fresh set of tires. Who saw the sticker still on the tires? You guys ready? Come on, Cletus. Yes! Yes! Ladies and gentlemen! Woo! Yeah! Bring it to me! Shout! He can go all the way! Ready, baby! Yes, sir. Take the outer bank. Send it. There he is, ladies and gentlemen, drifting. Neighbor. Full oval.
We'll go 1, 2, 3, then we hit it. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Smooth. Let's go. Let's go.
Here it is. Here he comes for the big jump. Let's see it. Oh, make some noise, Freedom Factory. He wants to hear you. Make some noise. All right, get ready. Turn 2. Freedom Factory, turn 2. Put your eyes on turn 2. We are going to have this thing send it in. Are you ready? The anticipation is killing me. Right, so here it is. I hear him off in the distance. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing is going to be coming in here not at 20,
I like that.
not 30, not 40, 60.
Oh, I hear
You know what? I think
Look at this. Excalibur coming on the wall in turn 2. Man, that things are loud. Oh, Lord, what could happen? He's got eyeballs in front of him. You know what? Something tells me those. There you go. I didn't think they were full. Kraken and Excalibur for the show here. I can't even do that on the bicycle. Lord have mercy, how does he do that?
I think these are in for more trouble.
Absolutely.
That's what I call some horsepower. we might have a little duel in here, a little duel in monster truck.
Let me drive one of these. I would imagine you don't have to have a key to crank it though. You know? Like you said, permission or permission.
Come on, fans, here from the factory. Let's go. Have you ever been to a monster truck event live?
I have. One of my first memories is going to one with my dad. There's a sitting in a big wheel. I always love monster trucks.
You don't realize how big they truly are until you see them first.
And how loud and powerful they are. Absolutely. You know, if I ever won the lottery, I wouldn't tell anybody, but there would be signs I would own one of these. That would be you. Oh,
Cletus McFarland, he's going to join the fun here in the patrol car.
when you're doing jumps like the Dukes of Hazzard, you got to have Roscoe come out. You
Gotta
know?
have it. I tell you what, Cletus has got this burnout done. Let's give a big hand for Kraken and Excalibur. That would be you.
Oh,
Cletus McFarland, he's going to join the fun here in the patrol car.
when you're doing jumps like the Dukes of Hazzard, you got to have Roscoe come out.
And it was one team flipped a t-shirt to see who was actually going to qualify there.
Did it land heads or tails?
I don't know what was heads or what was tails. And I know he said you're qualified with the t-shirt. 3x3 start with these vans.
Let's go, green flag is in the air. Let's go racing, y'all. Listen, put the hammer down.
Well, that van got quite the... Whoa, you can't miss the kidney beam. You can't skip the bus stop. That doesn't work.
That's a shortcut. That's a bold move. Let's see if it pays off.
I don't think it's going to pay off. I don't think it was legal.
You think that suspension's going to hold up to that? Bet you won't do it again. I mean, when he was supposed to turn, he didn't turn and just took the jump.
And he continues to do it. What a jump.
Let's go.
I give him an A for effort. There is no doubt in that.
I believe, was that 2 dodges? Oh, we've got another one. I think he may be out. That was a hard landing.
All right, we're being told each van has to do the jump at least one time.
You know, yep, he took a hard bump on that last one. I figured his night may be over there.
Yeah, he's pretty much pulled to the infield, but we got quite the battle for the lead here. Again, they're going to go for 10 laps. And once again, you have to do that jump on the back straightaway at least once.
I don't know, the Dukes of Hazzard fan in me would take that jump every time I was out there.
Here goes one.
Let's go!
Right there.
Oh, we've got a tire loose on the track. Lord have mercy.
That's two that's fell victim to the jump.
He hit that thing full speed.
And he is not going to give it up.
Y'all, let's hear it.
Right now, the 18 of Travis Pastrana, he is actually leading this race. We've completed 4 laps, so we're coming to halfway.
Those sliding doors are got some contact on the back stretch. How did he save it? That is a driver right there. We have got a straight dog fight for the lead, y'all.
That's Josh Hall and Travis Pastrana fighting for the lead right now. 3 laps to go in the Van Prix 10.
You know, I take it back, this kind of does look like the car pickup line. The way my wife drives.
We have got quite the battle between these two. Pastrana right now leading with 2 laps to go. Josh Hall close in. They run the high line through turns 1 and 2. What a great shot from our drone. Really appreciate that shot. Josh Hall goes low in 3 and 4. Gets right up beside Pastrana. Side by side, white
Taking
flag.
the white flag is in the air.
Josh Hall takes the lead in that 55 van. What will Pastrana do?
Pastrana is driving the wheels. So here we go. We've got 2 jumps coming. Let's go.
I think that's going to do Pastrana in right there, but he's not
he's
gonna
still
go.
rolling.
Josh Hall can't get going. Here comes Josh Hall. Pastrana making a run in it.
What a race.
The leader will get to choose, not the whole field, but I think pretty much as they proclaimed, it'll be some of these Crown Vics.
I like it.
You'll want to listen, Justin, in the words of the late, great Ken Squire, Grandma, take your false teeth out, put them in your purse. It's going to be big here directly.
Rest in peace, brother. Let's go racing.
Boogity, boogity, boogity. Let's go 2.4-hour LeMullet racing, boys and girls.
Let's go. We're 3 wide already. He saved it.
Cowboy Cerrone using a little bit of grass in that 412 43 car. Just about went around, saved it, but he's going to lose several spots.
We are beating and banging all the way around the track. You know, you'll have that on those big jobs.
'97 car, BJ Baldwin got quite the run on the high side through 1 and 2. He's going to drive away by 2 or 3 car lengths, headed out of the bus stop through turns 3 and 4. BJ Baldwin, a 2-time Baja 1000 winner, driver that '97. Got a battle for second shaping up there as they come out of the bus stop. Off into turn 3, but Cowboy Cerrone, he's going to hold that second spot. BJ Baldwin, he was rim riding through 3 and 4 that time, the leader of the race. See how high he's going up there? He comes out of the bus stop up into turn 3 and goes right up against the wall. I think that gives him a good run down the front straightaway, because he definitely runs a little bit lower through 1 and 2.
We've spread out a little bit, but they're still staying pretty grouped up in groups of 2, except for the first place and probably like the 10th place.
Got quite a battle here back for about 6th, 7th, and 8th. See that 43 car, Wyatt Booster Boys, lost a lot of ground on that first lap, and he's fallen all the way back to about 10th in that 43 car.
You know who else has had a rough time finding their way through traffic? Kevin with KSR.
Lots of patience, though. Patience is virtue. It's hit by Cowboy Cerrone, and the caution will fly right now. He was trying to get back around, I think, to get into the outside line.
Here we go.
Really lagging. They've got a problem there. Just really stack that outside line up.
Let it rotate, Chip. Come on with it.
The 39 AZ just could not get going. on that restart, that's Jason Bowman. Caution will fly again.
We have got a lot of contact coming out of that bus stop area.
That's where it gets exciting, especially after a restart.
Jonathan with Hunt the front.
The real loser on this restart has been Cowboy Cerrone in that 412 car. He has fallen all the way back to the 6th spot.
We do have we've got a battle for the lead with Jonathan Hunt the front and ZZ Drew.
Yeah, ZZ Drew, he did not even know he was going to be running this race until earlier this morning. Now he is up here battling for the lead.
That 43 car is driving the wheels off of it and bouncing all over the place.
We do have quite the battle for the lead. See LS George in that 2369, he has moved up there to the 3rd spot. 2X69.
Oh, that was fun to hear you say it in person. We are 3 wide. We've already got a car sideways.
We got beating and banging, and our leader, 1776, Zach Millennial Farmer. He's in trouble. 47 car, he's in trouble. Alex Laughlin, who was running 2nd.
47 car is in the back now.
We stay green. So now the 38. There's Pastrana with about everything dragging on the car but the roof.
He's still driving the wheels off of it though.
So
Do we have lights go out on the backstretch?
We've lost our lights. I don't know if that's by design or not. White flag though for Joseph Hunt the front, light or no lights. Only car I can see going through there is Pastrana because he has the lights on top. Joseph Hunt the front, through the bus stop, got a little bit of lap traffic to navigate. Final time through turns 3 and 4. All he's got to do is just bring it to the house. Joseph Hunt the front wins the 2023 2.4 hours of LeMullets.
Bullets presented by Black Rifle Coffee. We got Hunt the front, Joseph and Jonathan. Hey boys, right here. Victory! Your 2.4-hour LeMullets winners right here. All right, everybody, thank you so much for coming. Safe travels home.